Made by Morph. Let's go. Let's go. Let's adjust some settings. Whoa. I think staying in the just chatting category might be better for this, because it is not a game that's actually released yet. Master volume, does this look good? I think this looks good. Sound effects, mouse sensitivity, we're not playing with a mouse. Okay, camera, ooh, camera bob. We'll see how the camera bob is. Lens flare, depth of field, performance mode, full screen on, resolution. VSync is on, perfect. What did I do? Oh. Oh, I reset the settings. I accidentally reset the settings. Okay. 30, I think it was at 20. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, new game, let's go. Let's go. Why is my mouse on the screen? Okay. Look at the doggy! Left stick to move. Find a gun. Alright. Oh my god, it makes like little Lego clicky sounds. I love it. Okay, thrust the front leg is LB. Oh god. Okay. RB is... Oh, hold on. Oh shit. Oh! I did a backflip. Hell yeah. Okay. Ooh! Okay, we jumping high in the air. Wait, what? A fart thruster. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Hell yeah, the fart thruster. Beware. Right stick to look and zoom. Okay. Press the menu to open the menu. Exit the game. Multiplayer, controls, settings. We have a map. Oh god, the map. Okay, the map at the moment doesn't look too easy to read. Ooh, we have costumes. Except we don't have any costumes like right now, but in the item menu. Okay. So can I like headbutt this dog? No, wait. Oh! Oh! Can I fart on it? Broski! What are you... Okay. Wait, can I do a forward flip? Bam! Hell yeah. Okay, find a gun. In the house. Let's go. Boom! Can I, like, run? Can I run faster? No. Okay. Well, that's what I have the fart thruster for, actually. Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. I have to find a way... Oh. Come over here. Oh, shit. What is this? Wait. Are these things on the ground that I can... Oh, money! Oh my god, look at the money all over the floor. Hold on. I gotta get the money. Oh my god, why can't I find money like this in real life? What the hell? Wait, there's actually just money literally everywhere. Oh my god, it's getting dark. It's getting dark, I can't see! I can't see! How do I grab thing? I guess I can't grab anything right now. It's dark. Okay, I can't actually. What the frick? What is she holding? Oh my god! It has... Is it getting bigger as it walks? Oh my god. Run away. Run away! Okay, hold on. Let's go over let's see what this is. Savings account complete. I have $100. We have $132. Okay, we're gonna go... oh my god, a gold bar. We're gonna go... I'm very distracted by the money. By the money everywhere, god dang! Okay, come over here. Okay. How's your day? Well, I'm finding money everywhere on the freaking floor, so it's great, actually. I have $352 so far. Look what I got. Permanent buffs to your cat's stats. Upgrade. Upgrades. Oh. House stuff. Accessories. Open. Juiced. $50,000? Zoomies. A tax break, 25% on every coin picked up. 50K for power farts. Oh yeah, your farts pack an extra oomph. Oh my gosh. What can we decorate our house with? Oh no, what did I do? Oh, okay. Ooh, a fountain. Oh, we're gonna have to pick up a lot more money. We're gonna have to pick up a lot more money. Ooh, a flower bed. And then accessories. What can we get for the accessories? Ooh, a mustache for only $25,000. Jester. Fool me once, shame on meow. I like that. Fool me once, shame on meow. But it's a good one. One brain cell. Tabby cat. That would be Astra. Panda. Wait, do they also have a calico? They don't have a calico? You know what? I'm fine with that. They put a tabby instead of a calico because calicos are calicos are everywhere and tabbies get no love. A star. We obviously need the star, a bow tie, a crown. Okay, alright. Well, you're too expensive right now and I don't have enough money for any of your stuff, so it's fine. One brain cell is the orange cat. Oh my god. You're right. I didn't even notice. That's freaking hilarious. Okay, so let's see. How do I get in the house? How do I get in the house? Money. Money, 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 money. Money. Money, 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 money. Ooh, what's in here? Is that a car? Okay, hold on. Oh, wait, no. I need to... Oh, wait. Oh my god. Hold on. Jump, jump. Oh, frick. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. Oh, wait. Can we get in from here? I guess this is kind of a calico. Well, I'm used to calicos having black and orange and white. Oh my god, okay. We had to jump and fart. Jump and... Oh my god, a piggy bank. Jump and fart, jump and fart. Fart, 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 fart. Oh, frick. Okay, hold on, wait. Wait, I can just do a front flip. Oh, hold on. Oh, shit! Oh, come on. Wait, how do I just... Can I just... No. No, how do I get up? How do I get up? Okay. Okay. Okay, we made it. Okay, okay, I made it. Oh! Ah! Damn it, I thought the piggy bank would break open and then I'd get a ton of money. Oh, hello, you look a lot more friendlier. Oh, I can just push her around. You look friendlier than the other person out in the yard. Starting to see the point of power farts. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't understand. How am I supposed to navigate? Oh. 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 Ah. There is no regular jump. And I don't know what to do with this. Hold on. I feel like I need to get this. I got it! I got it! Okay, I got it. Okay. Oh my god. What do I do with it? What can I do with it? Does stuff stick? Oh my god! It magnifies the money. I can just get the money now. Okay, I need to find a gun. But wait, I want to see... Oh, there was an easier way to get in. Okay, cool. Oh my god. Hell yeah. Now I can get all the money. Easier. Hell yeah, let's go. Farting and getting that money. Hell yeah. This is like going to take a very long... I like how it magnifies the paper money. I like how it magnifies the paper money too. I am okay with this. I am okay with this. Alright, okay, let's go back in the house because we need to find a gun, so. We're not a pistol cat yet, we're a magnet cat now. Let's go. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, never mind, I'm good. It's a shadow. It's just a shadow. Nothing to worry about. Okay. What is that? It's a... Okay, it's a tree. It looked like a scary dude with, like, some kind of, like, scary weapon. Yeah, the time of day does change too quickly. Oh, shit. Okay, and I couldn't see there for a second. And I think it gets a little bit too dark for me. It's just a little bit too dark. When you're outside. In here, it's okay. Okay. I don't... Oh, wait, can I go under the bed? No, okay. Do I... Okay, if I do the front flip... And then I... Oh, wait. And then I power fart. Oh, shit! You're up so late. I'm not talking to you, bro. Okay. The jumping is a little hard to... Oh, frick. How do I get on the bed? Okay, I got it. I got it. I'm good. I got it. Damn it, I don't bounce. Ooh! I found the master key. Let's go. Wait, is there anything in here? Where's the gun? What's in here? Oh. Oh no. I'm gonna fail. Oh! Well, goodbye, music. I am going to fail miserably at this. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh god, no! No, 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 no! Now! Where's my magnet? What's this? A soul broker. Harvest your first soul. Oh my god, I harvested the soul. Okay, where's the house? Let's go try that again. Oh, wait, I see another soul. We're gonna go try that again because there's a lot of gold and I want it. I want the gold. Go on. Yep. Okay, there we go. Good. Very good. Okay, up the stairs we go. Go. Let's go. Okay. Try this again. Try this again. Let's go. Okay, I'm not going... Oh! Holy poops. Fart, fart. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Okay, keep going. No. No! I'm going to get this. I am going to get this if this is, like, literally the last thing I do. Where's the house? Why am I getting so turned around? Okay, the house is here. Let's go! Attempt number 3. One fart? Yeah, maybe the one fart. We just need one fart. Hold on. Okay, and that's the gate for the key. Okay, but I don't want to use it yet because we're going to get these golds. We're going to get the gold. Okay, attempt number 3. Let's go. Let's go. Attempt number 3. I'm glad that you can just keep attempting, though. Oh, no! Well, I did the one fart and it seemed like I needed more, so then I kept farting. But then I was angled the wrong way. It's fine, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it, I swear. One fart to rule them all, one fart to blind them. I'm gonna get one of these platforms of gold. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be the whole stream. It's just gonna be me trying to get this stupid gold. Let's go. Farty Cat doesn't have the same ring as Pistol Cat. Okay. That's true. Pistol Cat does sound better. And bam! I did it! I did it! Okay, okay. Okay, come on, we got this. And bam! Hell yeah! Okay. Hell yes. Yeah, I told you guys. I told you I would do it. Heck yeah. Oh my god. Look at all the money. We're bag maxing. Let's go. Hell yeah. We have 14,000 wallet money. Let's go. I found the gun. Okay, now we have to get the gun. I got it. I got the gun. Oh my god, we got a gun. B to shoot. Hell yeah. Oh, can I break the piggy bank? Hell yeah. We are the true Pistol Cat now. We are the true Pistol Cat. Oh my god, I got a freaking honorary Italian. I got a plunger. Is there anything in the bathtub? Better out than in. Fart 100 times. You know what? I can't argue with that. It's true. It is true. Is there anything in the toilet? What if I land in the toilet? No, I want to land in the toilet. Hold on, I got this. Damn it. I'll land in the toilet. I got a plunger. Woo! Okay, let's go. Hell yeah, $14,500 dues. Woo! We're falling down the stairs. Okay, hold on. I gotta coordinate myself. Ooh, a soccer ball. Wait, where's my magnet? Hell yeah. I gotta magnify all the money. Oh my god, do you guys... can y'all imagine if this was just real? You just go outside and there's just literal money everywhere on the ground. Okay, so is there anything that I should buy? Upgrades. Oh, I can't afford upgrades right now, I'm too poor. House stuff. But, like, the house stuff doesn't actually, like, benefit me in any way, right? Ooh, what about accessories? A light-up tail ornament? Should we get the star? Or should I save my money? I should probably save my money, right? We should probably be a responsible kitty cat. And save our money. Oh my gosh. Money. Money. Let's go. Everywhere. Alright, let's go open that gate. I do agree, the night and day cycle could be longer, definitely. 100%. Even though, like, when you look at the bar, it actually looks like it's going so freaking slow. Oh, but that's between day and night. Okay. Yeah, I think the day and night cycle could be a little bit longer, definitely. And maybe night not get so dark. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to... Okay, items. Key. Heck yeah! Unlock the front gate. Freedom awaits! Let's go! There is a dancing tree. Oh my god, car! Wait, can I get run over by the car? Will it actually run me over? Look at the gold bar! Just sitting there. Okay, where do I want to go? Discover Coral Beach? Which way do we think the beach is? Can I tell on the map? I cannot tell on the map. Okay, we're gonna see. Can we... I am immortal. I'm invincible. I am invincible. The car cannot run me over. Okay, where do we think the beach would be? Soccer ball. Soccer bally. Ooh, look at the fireflies. Damn, there's just gold bars that... Oh! Bunnies! Oh my god, there's bunnies! Oh my god, they're so cute! Look at them! Look at them, they're so cute! No, come here! No, come here! No, I want to be your friend. Please love me. No, love me. No, I just want to be your friend. No, come back! No, we're not eating the bunny slasher. How dare you? They won't come. They don't want to be my friend. They're too scared of me. No, I am not shooting the bunny, Sin. How dare you? I will shoot whatever this thing is. I'm gonna shoot it. Oh, yeah. Can I shoot them? I didn't even think of that. Oh, God. Okay, we're gonna shoot that thing. Hold on. Okay, I have my gun. Let's go. Oh, God. Oh, my God. What the actual frick? It annihilated me? I stood no chances. I stood no chances. What about this thing? Can I shoot it? Oh god! Oh god! I'm dying. Oh my god! I did it. Hell yeah! I got him. Can I shoot the flowers? Oh! Ooh! Okay, let's go get a revenge on that dog. Or whatever the heck it was. Wait, you really want me to shoot this poor little dog? But it's so cute! Oh! Okay. Thank you. It's two dogs now. It's fine, Sin. We just cloned it. It's okay. It's cloned. The dog is fine. Oh my gosh. I did not expect that. What the hell? I am not shooting the rabbits. Don't even suggest it. Not happening. Not happening. Look at how cute the bunny is. I have to go get revenge on the dog. On the... What the hell is... What the heck? A giant rabbit thing? Oh! Oh, I can talk to it. La-di-da. La-di-da. La-da-do. La-da-dum. Oh, okay. That's all it does. Where's the dog? Oh, the dog must only... What the frick is that? Oh, no, 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 no. I panicked. I should have started farting. I should have started farting. Shoot the furry. I wonder if I can. But it's like a friendly NPC. Okay, I'll try. But first I have to get revenge on that stupid dog pig thing. What the hell? I literally didn't even do anything. I just walked up to it. It just automatically killed me. Hold on. Round 3 with the dog pig. With the pig dog. What is that? Oh, it's a soccer ball. What is behind me? Oh, I thought I heard something walking. I like how the bunnies fly. It's literally flying like Super Dog. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Okay, where's the furry? Oh, the furry's not here anymore. Oh my god, look at all this money. Hold on. We have to magnetize the money. Money, money, money. Oh, there it is. Oh, it walks around the whole thing. Okay, so it will come back. But I gotta kill the pig dog first. Where is it? I am taking you down this time, sir. I am taking you down. I don't have the best aim, but I am going to take you down. If it's the last thing I do. Can I aim? No, I can't. Okay, it's fine. I got it! Stupid pig dog. Got your ass this time. Hell yeah. What is this? Is this another one? We got a tomato. Trying to shoot the tomato. Oh, I got a tomato. What is in here? What is going on in here? Hello? What is happening? Can I shoot? Oh, I have a tomato in my mouth. I have a tomato in my mouth. Damn it! No! What the hell are those? Are those cows? Was that a sheepy? They're little sheepies! It's okay. I need your wool. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. Damn, there are a lot of sheep. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be going to the beach, but I don't know where the beach is because I don't know how to read the map. I don't know how to read the map. What do you all think? Where do you think the beach would be? We're just kind of aimlessly wandering around. Okay, we wanted to go, shoot the thing. I want to see what this dancing tree is. And then there's also another house that I could go into. What is this? Oh, it's a flower. Ah! I'm falling. What is in this other house? Let's go see. If I can get in. I think I seen the entrance on the other side. Oh, I hear music. Oh, here's the entrance. Let's go. Let's go. It is so dark. It is actually so dark. Oh my god, how am I supposed to jump up on these things? Huh! Fart! To your heart! Oh no, I fell off! Ooh, can I shoot these? Hell yeah. Trigger happy. Fire the gun 100 times. Let's go. Let's go. There's music in here. Ooh! Ooh. Another dream. Ew. Oh. I don't know about this one, guys. I don't know about this one. Oh, fart! No! No! It's okay, I just want to find the beach. We're gonna go look for the beach. Okay, we're gonna go look for the beach. The exit is this way. Let's go. Let's go find the beach. Okay, which way do I think the beach would be? Which way do I think the beach would be? There's air. Ooh, there's like a big palm tree over there, so maybe the beach would be this way? But that car didn't run me over! No, I thought I was invincible! Ah! What the frick? I thought I couldn't get run over by the car. What the heck? Oh my god, why am I yawning so much now? Okay, I think the beach is this way. Oh no! Nope, we're not getting run over by that thing again. No, no, no! Okay. Alright. Oh, you know what? Where's that big pillar of green light, actually? Maybe that's where we have to go. I remember there was like a pillar of green light. I'll be able to see it better at night. But I do see palm trees over there. So I am hoping that this will be the beach. Discover Coral Beach. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, a respawn point. Hell yeah. Wait, does that mean I can just go to the map and respawn there if I want to? No. Okay. Ooh, is this another shop? Oh yeah, I forgot there's like multiple shops. What does this shop have? Oh my god! Oh, no, 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 no! What the hell was that? Well, we just won't go that way because obviously it's possessed. It's obviously, possessed by evil spirits. So, yeah. Which way is the beach? Where's the beach? Maybe the blue light. Maybe we have to follow the blue light. yeah, exactly. F this shit, I'm out. I do not want the evil spirits. Ooh, but there's like also this blue light. Oh, I want to shoot the barrel. The thing. Money, money, money. Possessed by evil spirits or alternatively not cleaned up by sin. Oh, I'm going to harvest the soul. Let's go. Got it. I got the evil soul. Oh, what is going on here? Why is there such creepy music? I'm scared. I'm scared. What is this? Got a track. Oh my god, there's a lot of evil spirits. Or not evil spirits, but there's like... Oh, hello. I'll take you. And I'll take you. And what is you? Oh, it's a spawn point. The graveyard. I'm scared. Oh, no! We were leaving. We were just leaving. It's fine. It's fine. We're leaving. Okay, I have another harvested soul. Why does the sky look... Why does it look evil now all of a sudden? What are you? Oh god! Gets real weird at night here. Could you find me a flashlight? Your eyes look like they could be their own flashlight. It is a void cat. Yeah, maybe we do have to wait till morning. Hello? I want your soul. Look at how many souls we have collected. Run! Okay. Okay, Mr. B. I don't want to accidentally hit the bunny. Oh, it was a blood moon! Okay, can we shoot the bee? Can we shoot the bee? No! Go away! Ha! I got it! Bee ain't getting me. Oh my god, is that another bee? Ooh, a bar! I demand your soul, Void Cat. Hey, that's my line. Damn it. Wait, was I in this bar already? Why is there so many bees? Oh, the lighthouse. Maybe that's where the beach is. Yeah, maybe that's where the beach is. Sir? I think you have a bit of a cockroach problem. Yeah, maybe you want to take care of that, or, you know... Ew! Wow! That was gross! Oh, okay. Don't worry, sir. I'll take care of them. It's fine. I got it. It's okay, don't worry. I'll take care of your cockroach problem. Gross. Oh my god, it's gross. Oh my god, it's so gross. It's gross. Ew. 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 Shoot it! It's right in front of you! It's right in front of you! Are you kidding me? Okay. Is that it? Did I get them all? Did I get them all? Ooh, I got a seed. Yeah, don't worry, sir. I took care of all the cockroaches for you. I did it for you since you're incapable. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, it's nighttime again already. No! Huh. Hold on, sir. I'm coming. Hold on, wait. Huh. Okay, okay, alright. Hold on, I had to do the cat thing and knock off the jars. we had to just knock off the stuff like a normal cat would do. Hips don't lie. Ba, 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 ba. Hello, Jer. Never mind. You almost got me with that. You almost got me. Welcome in. Welcome in. It's Mr. Krabs. Oh my god, it is kind of like, yeah. Damn. I wonder if I can shoot him. Should I try? Should I try? He's invincible. Run away. Destroy the evidence. Run away. There was never a bartender that worked here. I don't know what you're talking about. What the freak? Oh my god. Where was the lighthouse? This way. So anyways. That bar was just full of cockroaches and nothing else. Damn it, I want to get the car! I want to get the car. What's this? Is this the thing? Is this the thing that we were gonna shoot? I think it is. Hold on. Wait. It's just Lottie dying. Are you gonna walk into the- Are you actually gonna walk into the tree? Oh, this one's invincible. La-di-da! As I'm just shooting it nonstop. Okay, the furry is invincible, I am afraid. The furry is invincible. He just doesn't care about being shot yet. Just like la-di-da, la-di-doo. I'm just going for a walk. We're getting another soul. It's hot outside? Yeah, what is... Actually, it was pretty hot. I think it's like 27. Ooh, yeah, it is 27 degrees. Damn! I did not realize it was that hot today. What the hell? Oh my god! Oh my god, there is a cruise. Can we... I want to go on the cruise. I actually want to go on a cruise. My parents went on a cruise for the first time ever. A couple months back. And they said they had so much freaking fun and were telling us all about it. And I want to go. I want to go. Oh my god, look at the buff axolotl. Look at him. Sup, dude? Want to buy something? It's a freaking big-ass buff axolotl. Yeah, but how much is your stuff? Ooh, a hang glider? Beach stuff. Beach ball, sand castle, beach chairs, umbrella. Ooh, so... Oh! Well, I bought a beach umbrella. I thought it was a really good purchase just because we need shade from the sun. We need shit, yeah. I planned to buy that, so it's fine. It's totally fine. Pixel glasses. Alright, what do I do with my cool beach umbrella? Where is it? Where is my beach umbrella? Bro, you didn't even give me my beach umbrella? Are you serious? Where is it? Where is my beach umbrella? Oh. That's my beach umbrella. Hell yeah. Let's go. Oh, okay, so you buy things to, like, redecorate the areas. Okay, that's cool. I like that. This dude looks so freaking cool. Like, he actually looks so cool. What's going on in here? Water! Oh my god. Damn it. Huh. Hell yeah. How do I get out? Okay. It's 37 there. Oh my god, gross. That's too hot. That is too hot. What's this? A new seed. Another seed. Oh, what's that? I need it. Huh. Another cassette. Hell yeah. Let's go. Oh, what's this over here? Oh, that's, never mind, that's the thing. Okay, let's go over here on the boats. Oh. Am I supposed to? Oh my god, did y'all see that adorable seal? Oh my god, they're so cute, I want to say hi. They're so cute, I want to go say hi. Hold on, I have to go say, no, it's getting dark again already, damn it. No, I want to say hello to the cute thing. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I want to squeeze it. I want to talk to it. Oh my god, it's actually so cute. I would have a stuffed animal of this. It's so freaking cute. It's so cute, I'm gonna die. Is the seal's name Neil? We can name it Neil. We can name it that. Fart! Fart! Oh my god, I actually can't believe I made it. I actually can't believe I made it. Ooh, coconut. Let's go. Lonely coconut half. I have to find the other half of the coconut. Yeah, I'm not making it up there, so... If I just jump in the water, will it respawn me? Am I drowning? Oh no, I'm drowning. Oh no, I'm gonna... Okay, I'm good. Have you not heard of the public menace Neil? No? I haven't heard of Neil. Is there a seal named Neil going around causing trouble? I have literally just carrying a coconut. Oh my gosh. The bunnies are so cute. Darwinist abomination. Oh. Buy the hang glider. Oh, I don't want to. Neil the Seal is a deep dive worth making an entire React episode about? Oh gosh. An elephant seal in Tasmania. Insurance there actually has a clause that protects you from damage he causes. What? Oh my god, okay, we're gonna look him up after I buy this hang glider. Oh, it's only 1,000. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. What's the other beach stuff? Let's buy beach chairs. And the beach balls. Beach balls! Oh, that is kind of cool, actually. You can redecorate stuff. That's cool. Alright. Bam. Alright. Well, this is a cute little game. I think, honestly, the only thing that I think could benefit with a bit of change is just the day and night cycle, because I think it's a little bit too fast. I was gonna say maybe aiming your gun, but I think the fun of it is that you kind of just go bonkers when you're shooting the gun. Yeah, the day and night cycle are a little bit too short. I think that's my only gripe with it right now. Other than that, it seems like a really cute game. You just turn off your brain and you just go around and do all the little quests. And collect money and redecorate stuff. It's cute. It's really cute. Oh, I like it. I want to thank Morph for providing the game key for me. Thank you very much. I enjoy the game. And you're right, this is a Calico to start. We're literally playing Mitzi. Mitzi with a gun. Hell yeah, let's go. Let's go.